Yesterday we were talking about a hero lesson. First paragraph we had completed. Second also we had completed little bit. Okay. Anybody can read? Anybody can read? Nanne odidra? Did you read at home yesterday? I asked you to read. Unless you read, unless you write, how can you learn English? It's an English class. You need to speak English. You need to understand English. You need to write English. Okay? Can you read? Yes. Can you read? Oh, he is raising his hand. Can you read, my dear? Please. Okay, hold the text correctly. Hold the text correctly. Yes, good, good. Read, read. Yes, yes. What is that? What is that? Looked. No, it is not looked. It's looked. Yeah, he was reading. Said. No, said. Said. Yes. Village lad. Yes. Okay, sit down. Next. Described. Good. Described. The fight. Yeah, fight with the tiger. What do you mean by flight? I hope you have written yesterday. Flight. Climbing. Good. Good. Climbing. Yes. What is the opposite of the word expected? Expected. I wrote yesterday. Expected. Yes, unexpected. What is the prefix of the word expected? Good, unexpected. Very good, very good. Yes, yes. Looked at, very good, looked at. Fixedly, yes. Okay, next. See, I told you yesterday, my dear, I told you, whenever you read, it should be with some pause, got a tone. One tone is there. You might have heard when the singer sings a song, he or she has or had uses the tone, rising tone, falling tone. Like that, whenever you read here, it should be loud, without making mistake. ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಓದುವುದು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೇಳುವಪ್ಪ ಇವನು ಓದುವುದು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ರೀಡ್ ಎಟ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ರೀಡ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ರೀಡರ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. Second paragraph. How could a boy fight a tiger? I was talking yesterday, I was discussing about that. How could see here, could, C-O-U-L-D, could is the past tense of the word can. How could a boy fight a tiger? I just clarify you regarding this could. See, it's a modal auxiliary. Could is a modal auxiliary as well as it's a present tense of the could is can. Could meaning it's a past ability. It's a past ability. If I say, example, you stand up, see, his name is, what is your name? Ravi, right, Ravi. If Ravi and myself, if we run 100 meters, who will win? Who will win? Ravi. Don't you think I can't run? Yes, I agree. I can run, but not as fast as Ravi. But I could say, but I used to say, I am saying like this, whenever I was in SSLC or when I was in 10th standard, I used to run 100 meters with 10 seconds. 10 seconds. It's a bundle. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. Could means nothing but it's a past ability. ನಾನು ಆಗ ಓಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು 10ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ರವಿಗಿಂತಲೂ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. I was the fastest runner in the class. What I am trying to say here is could is the past ability. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Also we use the whenever we use language function when we call that. Can you pass me your notebook? Can you pass me your notebook? Can you please call me later? Could you please go and get my notebook? Could you please go and get the paper for me? So it's a request, and also it's a past ability. Okay, I hope you understood. Whenever we get such things, we will discuss. So how could a boy fight a tiger? It's a question mark. Swami is asking to his father. You might have heard in the first stanza, paragraph, father was reading the newspaper about the village lad who had fought with the tiger and with the help of the people killed the tiger. And that event father is reading, and now Swami is defending and he is arguing and saying that he may not be a boy. He may not be a boy. He might have been grown up person. He is a grown up person. How could he fight? ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ? ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಅವನು ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹುಡುಗ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಹುಲಿನ ಸಾಯಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಜೊತೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆಗ see the father's reaction. You think you are wiser than the newspaper? Father sneered. ತಂದೆ ಕೋಪ ಬಂತು. ವೆರಿ ರ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಗಡಸು ಧ್ವನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ father is answering. You think you are wiser than the newspaper? You are wiser than the newspaper? Wiser, intelligent. ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ನೀನು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತನ? ವೈಸರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಸಿ, ವೈಸರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. Then say comparative degree. Whenever we compare two persons, two things, we use comparative degree. ಹೋಲಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have 3 types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and the final is the supreme, the superlative degree. Here the father is saying, you think you are wiser than the newspaper? ನೀನು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಜಾಣನ? Father sneered, angry, got angry. A man, she is continuing, father is continuing, a man may have the strength of an elephant and it be covered, whereas another may have the strength of a straw, but if he has courage, he can do anything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Very important lines. ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಶಬ್ದಗಳು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ. If a man may have, see, may have, another model auxiliary, may. The past tense is might. I hope you are taking down. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ? See, may. Example. Just now, Rajneesh, right? Rajneesh. He came late. Already I had entered the class. He came after 5 minutes and he was standing near the door. What did he do? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೀನು? Yeah, he just raised his hand. He said, May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? ನಾನು ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದಾ? It is a modal auxiliary. Might. Past tense is might. What is might? ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? Might is the past tense of may. Just think, tomorrow there is a function in my friend's house. He is inviting me. Please, you have to come. You have to come. Okay, I'll try to. And finally he says, I might come. If I got time, if I am free, I might come. ನಾನು ಆದರೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಬರಬಹುದು. It may rain. It may rain. ಮಳೆ ಬರಬಹುದು. Might is a past tense. May, might. Can, could. Okay, just. You may have the strength. Strength is nothing but strength, shakti. Okay, stamina. You may have a strength of an elephant. Elephant, you know? What do you mean by elephant? No, very good. Yeah, of an elephant, and it be a covered. It be a covered. What do you mean by covered? ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಶಬ್ದ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ covered ಅಂತೇಳಿ? Covered, brave, opposite is covered. COWARD, covered. Brave, sahasavanta, dhairyavanta. Covered, pukla, hedru pukla. You getting my point? Whereas another may have the strength of a straw. You know straw? Whenever you go to juice shop, while drinking juice, they may give you straw. Or if you go to drink tender coconut, bonda, elniru kudilik hodaga, they give you straw. But here straw means hullu. Hullu, you know hullu. You may have the strength of a straw, but if he has courage means dhairya. Courage means dhairya. He can do anything. He can do. Nodi, he can do. He can do. Can. Samarthya. Capacity. Capacity. You can do anything. What do you mean by that? See, Father is saying, giving a very good statement. Namma life could apply to. What is he saying? Courage is everything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are unimportant or not important. You got the meaning? Artha aita? It's a big statement. See, you may have the strength of an elephant. ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ದಷ್ಟ ಪುಷ್ಟ ದಪ್ಪ. You may have. You may look. But you are pukla. You don't have a courage. ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅವನು ಪುಕ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಅವನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹುಳುಕಡ್ಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಪೂರ ತೆಳ್ಳಗೆ, ಚೊಲ್ಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಡು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೆದರು ಪುಕ್ಲ, ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಳ್ಳನಾಗಿ ಕಂಡು ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಮಗೊಂದು ನೀತಿ ಪಾಠ ತಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಕರೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೇಜ್ ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ದೇನು? ಕರೇಜ್, ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸಾಧಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ. ಕರೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಯ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇರುವುದೇನು? ಕರೇಜ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಎಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ. ಕರೇಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಧೈರ್ಯ. ಎಸ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? Shall I continue? Right. Swami disputed the theory. Disputed. Allagali. Theory, what is this theory? You might have heard of Newton. Whatever you throw, it will come down. Isn't it? Newton ನಿಯಮ. ಏನೇ ವಸ್ತು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆಸಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿತದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಥಿಯರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಥಿಯರಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನೋಡುವ, ಎಂತ ಥಿಯರಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ? ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ದ ಥಿಯರಿ, ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಸೇ? ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಫಾದರ್? How can it be, Father? See? How can it be, Father? Suppose I have all the courage, what could I do if a tiger should attack me? Funny, he is saying, see, Swami disputed the theory. Till now, Father, whatever his statement made regarding courage, regarding the straw, all those statements, he made it clearer what you should be. Now, hegirbeku anta he told us. To Swami also. But Swami's argument is different. He is opposite whatever the father is trying to say. ಏನೇ ತಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಇವನ ಥಿಯರಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತವನ್ನು ಇವನು ಮುಂದಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಫಾದರ್? ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಫಾದರ್? ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕರೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಐ ಡೂ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಟೈಗರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮೀ? ನನಗೆ ಕರೋಜ್ ಇದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು, ನನಗೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಧೈರ್ಯ, ಸಾಹಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು, ವಾಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಇಫ್, ಆದರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಫ್ ಎ ಟೈಗರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮೀ. ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಶುಡ್, SHOULD. The present tense is shall. The past tense should. So I said modal auxiliaries can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would. Okay? Shall, should. Tomorrow you got a special class. All of you should attend my class. You should attend my marriage function. ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಒತ್ತಾಯ. ಶುಡ್, ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್? ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ಕರೇಜ್ and if tiger attacks me, what should I do? Leave alone strength. Can you prove you have courage? Let me see. I just wrote na see. SEAC. It's a homophone. Homophone means home. What do you mean by home? What do you mean by phone? There's a difference between home and house. Home means, house means, yeah, there is a difference. House, ನಾಲ್ಕು ಗೋಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ building. House, it's a building, just a room, something. Home means where you might have read sweet home, happy home, where you have a family, there people live with love, affection, care. So we say happy home. Like that. I was just talking about see. SEA. See means I am seeing you. Look. Another word, synonym, same meaning. Look. See. SEA. See. Seashore, Arabian seashore, Bay of Bengal seashore, Someshwara seashore, Malpe seashore, Kapu seashore, sea, samudra tira. So this is a homophone. Phone, I was talking about homophone, isn't it? Homophone. Phone means sound. See, phone means sound. Homophone means the word which has same sound. When you pronounce a word, see, S-E-A-C-S-E-E. Same sound, but spelling and meaning are different. Spelling and meaning will be different. Spelling ಮತ್ತು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬೇರೆಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತವೆ. SEE ನೋಡು, SEA ಸಮುದ್ರ, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೋಮೋಫೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ, ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ, SSLCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮೋಫೋನಿಗೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೇನೆ. SEE, ಓಕೆ. Leave alone strength. Can you prove you have courage? Can you prove? See, Father is talking now. Can you prove you have courage? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. See what the Father is saying. Let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. What happened now? It is getting interesting now. See, the Father was reading about the newspaper, and that discussion turned something unexpected. The second line, the first line in the beginning, unexpected turn. This is unexpected turn. The discussion is about the tiger, the newspaper, the boy. Now the discussion is about something different. It's an unexpected turn. What is that unexpected ಘಟನೆ? ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಅನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿತವಾದ, ಊಹಿಸಲು ಅಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರದ, ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೀರಿದ ಒಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. Father is giving a challenge to his son, Swami. What is that? It is, you have to sleep alone in my office room. You have to sleep alone in my office room. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes. Any doubts here? Alone tonight. ಇವತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಆದರೆ yesterday night. If it is next day, day after tomorrow. Tonight, today night. In my office room. ಅಂದರೆ ತಂದೆಯ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಲಗಬೇಕು. That's a challenging one. That's a challenging one. Okay.